This is the yummy rice I made for my kids this morning. I wake up very early because I have planned it. I'll be cooking jollof rice for them. So immediately I entered inside the kitchen, I started what I planned. Let me show you guys what I'll be cooking. I went ahead to slice my tomatoes because there was no light for me to blend the tomatoes. I sliced the tomatoes, the onion. One challenges I'm having is light. You see that light? Light is the most important thing so far you have your phone. Aside from tripod and all those phone holders, you need light. I don't want to be discouraged as a content creator. That's why even if there is no light to support my phone flash, I only use my phone flash. Just so you know, I made these beautiful videos with just my phone flash. So this is everything I did this morning. So this is the frying process. As I was frying it, I went ahead to wash the pot I will be using to cook. At this point, I realized that time is not on my side again, so I was rushing to do everything so that I will go and wake my children. I normally wake them by 6. What some of you are not even like, you're not even thinking of is the health of these children. You know that as you wake up early and you get tired, that's how these children also wake up early and get tired. I saw a woman who said that she wakes her children up around 5 a.m. every morning. That is too early. Allow them, at least you prepare the food first, let them to sleep small before you go and wake them. So they are like you can also you can rest at your working place or you can even sleep, but them they cannot sleep in the school. They will be awake until they close, and some of these children they close by 4 p.m. Some even close by 5 p.m. That is too much for them. Let's also make a way for them not to wake too early. I don't know how to put the English, but I know you understand what I'm trying to say. So at this point, I'm frying. I'm putting everything necessary, my ingredients. That is the ingredient I use for my jollof rice, and they came out. They do their work perfectly. So at this point, I like to put my meat. Let it soak the stew. I cook it for some minutes. I remove it from the oil. So then I pour in my tomato into my mixed up. I cover it to cook. I went and turn off inside their food flash. I don't know if you do this, if it works or if we are just playing. But I like to do it at least, even if it not keep this thing warm. It helps. It helps in removing some germs, Abby. So at this point, my tomato mix, everything is ready. I pour in my rice. So after pouring in my rice, it's about 6:07. I went to wake my children up. You can see them. So after that, I came out. Can you believe that I could not record when I was packing lunch because no matter how I wake, we still run late. So this is everything I did this morning. I packed their lunch and we went out. Thanks for watching.